Welcome traders, I'm back again with another video. In this video I'll be going over my trades from 29th January to 2nd February. I'll be going over my trades and you can see what happened over here. I trade on a liquidity and you can see we've taken liquidity over here from Asian session high. This is Asian session high. We've taken liquidity from it, so I was expecting price to give a momentum to the downside on Monday for me to take a trade, but price didn't give any momentum to the downside. Price was just ranging over here, getting to the evening before the move started coming, and I didn't get a trade on that day. So here I was expecting price to take this previous day high. Price took it very well, and I was expecting price to give a momentum to the downside before taking trade. We were ranging during the Asian time, you can see over here, and price gave this momentum to the downside over here, and I was expecting price to get to this level right here before taking a trade, like price moving back to this consolidation before taking trade, but price rejected over here and moved to the downside without me. That's cool. That day, which is Tuesday, I didn't get a trade, and Wednesday you can see what happened over here. We've taken this Asian session high over here, which is part of the liquidities that I trade, and price moved to the downside. So I was thinking let's continue moving to the downside because we've taken liquidities over here, which is part of inducement. So that's very good, and that's very good. We've taken the high of this, and price rejected to the downside, taking this Asian session high, giving this momentum. So I just took a trade over here, some point like this, and I took the trade over here with 19 pip stop loss, 50 pip profit target, which is 2.5%, and price stopped me out. That's fine. So we moved to another day looking for another opportunity. You can see what happened, and price was just moving to the downside. Took this previous day liquidity, the last 2 days liquidity also, price took it, and price gave this momentum. During this time I was not with my chart, with my laptop, so I didn't see this trade to take this trade over here, but I made this trade some point here after we've taken this Asian session high. I was expecting price to move to the downside for me to take a trade, but it was late in the night. That's 4 p.m, almost 5 o'clock, which is late in the night, so I didn't even try to take a trade because price can put me in trade and just consolidate to the open spread, and that's very bad. So I didn't even plan of taking trade during this time over here. And you can see today is NFP day, which is Friday of the month, the first Friday of the month, February, and price has taken previous day high over here, Asian high. Price has taken them. I was expecting price to give this momentum to the downside before taking trade, but I didn't take this trade because we have equal high over here. This is representing an equal high. These candles over here, as soon as the candle closed, the bearish move started. That's equal high in terms of candlesticks, and this type of price action normally call for price, so by all means price to go back, sweep that level. So that was what price did. I was expecting price to give a momentum to the downside before taking trade, like somewhere here, taking trade, a sell trade on a level over here, which is 27465, taking a sell over there to the downside, filling these imbalances over here. If price didn't break this level over here, close below it before 12, then I'm not going to take a trade. But if price break this and close below it before the news, I'm going to take trade because I want to be in profit before the news set in. Yeah, I want to be in profit before the news set in because you're going to open spread. I want to be in trade before they open it. I want to be in trade before they open it. But if nothing like that happened, then I'm not going to trade for today. So this is the only trade that I took, and it was a loss, and it was a loss on the 10k account. So this week I'm down 1% for now. I don't know whether this is going to let me enter trade. If that did not happen, then I'm down 1% this week. Last week I was up 3%, taking myself from drawdown to profit, and now I'm down 1% this week. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video to your friends as well. Bless up.